Alright, here's the 1998 Panoz Roadster AIV aluminum intensive vehicle. These cars are truly awesome, obviously a unique look, but what I'd like to do is let you hear just how throaty and awesome this car sounds. And this truly is the best sounding one I've owned. Up at higher RPMs when you get on it, just the sound is incredible. What you would expect from a sports car like this. But anyhow, let me get to a little sound bite for you. I'll leave my camera here by the exhaust. It's one thing to hear it at idle and standing still, but it's a whole nother thing to be in the driver's seat, shifting through the gears and hearing that behind you. Truly an awesome automobile. Best of luck. Hope to speak with you.